You know, here I really want just like for GJ to just stay the same till tomorrow.
Oh no.
You know, come down and break the slow here.
Oh, it's a daily. I thought it's like a next
No,
30 minutes.
it's a daily.
Shit.
It's a big drop. Okay. So, you know, here, like we have clean traffic, right? Like price should continue moving up, but since like there's a consolidation here, I'm thinking just gonna probably try to make a support, and then we'll see if it respects it to go up.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking it's gonna probably drop.
Well, yeah. What's the range between this area and this area?
20 pips.
Not bad range. But the thing is, it hasn't made a lower wick yet. You know what I mean? So,
Yeah,
and it's getting rejected.
exactly. But I feel like it's best if we wait for buys above this area here.
Yeah, much cleaner range, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes, but at the same time, do you think we'll get that move in the next session in this like NYC? Because what we would be looking for ideally is breaking through this area, making a support or making a resistance, then breaking through. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Then we probably have to shift down to like smaller time frames to see if this has happened. Like by smaller, I mean 15 minutes.
yeah, I know. Let's see how this 30 is gonna close. Maybe we get like a N1.
Yeah.
But see, like if you look at this area here, which is like this wick right here, is a previous daily high,
Okay.
which is right here. So it would kind of make sense, like buys above this area, you know. But here we could probably catch it before the move. But I really think that it might make a fake out and then go back into the range and go below. But we'll see. So here on gold, you have the daily close below. Good morning, gang. Mr. Victor, good morning. Wow, like this daily just came almost tapped. The almost broke the previous daily. I know rejected. Like,
Yeah.
how many pips? 1,000? Oh shit, what is that? 100 pips.
130, 103 pips.
It missed like 1 pip and then it went 100 pips. People really took sells down there before it broke. Probably. Yeah, so gold should continue moving up probably till resistance. Make a support here. Just like GJ.
Yeah.
And it might continue falling later. But we'll see. Mr. Nawaf.
Hello. Just came back. Sorry,
No
guys.
problem. No problem. Send us your analysis.
No problem.
Thank you, thank you. If I had like bigger candles here onto the left, clean. If made a support and broken it, I would have taken a sell, you know, to continue down. But this is very messy area. Oh, gold. It's going.
Wow.
Look at this 4 hour. Holy. Oh shit.
Shit.
It's a rocket.
Gold flew.
And broke.
So then my analysis on gold, there is no point to it. But I'm gonna send it anyways.
But we can wait for it to close above this area.
Yeah. Uncle Ted's gonna make a post. It's like I told you. Looking for buys above 4 hour.
Yeah, that is a 4-hour resistance here.
So you're waiting for a close?
Yes, but let's assume that it closes up now, right? How much is your stop loss? Like 30 pips maybe?
Yeah,
40 pips? That's a big ass stop loss.
but that's like...
And now it's increased to 60.
But that's what it is with gold.
Yeah, like I missed it, you know? That's the point.
But where? Well, where was the entry?
I wanted to close like above, like but not this big, right? So I can see some sort of a retracement like this and going up.
You might still get that. Let's see.
Nah.
But you're looking for sells below 17.25, or is it
Maybe we can
17.29?
wait and see.
And it's next 2 minutes is gonna touch the 4 hour resistance.
And remember too, in 1 hour we are expecting a speech and testifies. So I think that will drive the market crazy. Maybe
Look at
to the downside.
Yeah. Look at the 4 hour N1, man. It flew like 30 pips from there.
Yeah.
Shit.
I told you, like, it had to come up here, stop all the stop losses.
But who would have still been sells?
Oh man, you'll be surprised. Like people would be like, oh, is it really gonna go to the stop loss?
No, but where would have people entered? That's what I'm trying
Like
to figure
I
out.
don't know. I'm probably assuming like people tried to enter when broken this low.
But it never broke it, right?
I know, but like,
People would have early entries.
yeah, like FOMO or I don't know.
Open the 4-hour. You never know. People might would have entered here, right? And one happy with these, like say 20-30 pips.
Yeah,
Wanted more,
yeah.
and
possible.
then it just
Right now they're getting fucked. Not right now. They're like, holy shit! How did I not know this move was gonna happen?
Why didn't we enter on a 4-hour buy? Like,
This one right here.
yeah,
Yeah,
It's just the
looks
time.
nice for it to continue.
yeah, because I looked. You're right. I looked at the time and it was 8:56, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, look at 4-hour. It has tapped where it had to tap. Here, no, like here.
Yeah. Look at this 4 hour. No wick, just gonzos.
Maybe it's gonna go down now. No lower wick. Let's see. Like the thing
Yes.
I'm afraid about that, you know,
What?
is in an hour from now in the speech.
Bro, just don't put any
it-
complications in your head. You know, just
Like maybe now it's like moving a little bit and then it will like range till the speech come and then poof.
yeah, maybe.
That's why I'm gonna wait.
Yeah, you can't enter right now.
Yeah.
But like don't look for complications. You know? Just execute if you feel comfortable about like the setup.
Yeah. Also need to be noticed the
What?
news coming up too.
Yeah.
You need to put that into consideration.
Yes.
Yeah. That is like I'm gonna stay away from gold now. And GJ, let's wait.
What do you want to see on GJ?
I want to see. Okay, let me make my analysis on it.
You know what I noticed this whole time?
Yeah.
That the people on YouTube cannot see my mouse. I don't know why no one told me this shit. They can't see the arrow.
Oh. How do you know that they can't see your arrow?
Because like right here, hold on. Like on this here, I can see my screen, right? You see it? It's not here. They could only see this parts here, like those side
Okay.
things. I don't know why. Probably something has to do with the mouse. Pointer. Enable.
Is that your mouse?
Yeah.
Oh, big ass mouse.
Yeah. This is when you press both, it activates paste. When I click the bottom ones both, it's like copy. Left click, right click. I could adjust it to whatever I want. You know, you have web browser, stop, forward, next track, scroll down, home. It's a good mouse. Good morning, Mr. Tiu. Can't see your mouse. Oh, thank you for letting me know after all these years. Mr. Eden, good morning.
I have sent my chart on GJ.
Oh, finally.
Okay, on GJ, this is where the 4-hour made its support and continue going up, and this is where 4-hour resistance was. And this one is basically how the 4-hour kind of closes. So now we are in this like resistance area, right? I want to see how this current price react to it. You know, if it closes below, maybe I will look for a sell, but you know, I should look for the smaller time frame, of course. And if it closes above this area, maybe I will look for a buy.
Yes.
Yeah.
But you waiting for a close, right? Above?
It depends, like on how big is the stop loss, right?
Let's see. $30 pips. So would you wait when it closes?
Yeah. Like
No.
either buys above, you know, and see how it closes, or how the next 15-minute candle, you know.
So you won't enter for an impulse?
Feel like it depends on the stop loss, right? Yeah, it all depends on the stop loss.
Yeah, let's see. Nawaf is really following the old strategy.
Which one?
Wait for the candles to close.
Yeah. But if you're waiting for a candle to close, sometimes the part of the old strategy was just enter in the next candle. Don't wait for an impulse to break it.
Yeah.
We did that for a long time, you remember?
Yeah, yeah.
You think Rakil or Ted would still be doing it?
Waiting for the candle to close?
Close and then enter in the next candle without waiting for it to break as an impulse.
Yeah. I think it's more impulse now though.
Yeah.
I mean, like, for them to get to where they want, like, they had to be really disciplined. They really had to wait for the candles to close. And before, they used to wait for like 4 hours to close, right?
Yeah. I think that really still enters on based on 4 hours.
Yeah.
Also, the 4 hour N1 on gold, like 4 hour, the stop loss was huge. Any time frame you would have picked up.
Yeah. Especially on gold. Wild. What am I thinking for the next hour? Thoughts? I don't know, Mr. Victor. What are you thinking for the next hour? Or are you asking me what am I thinking for the next hour? I sent a link to the chart. Can't see it in the chat. Make sure you only copy like the code. It says X / something something.
Yeah, also ask you for copy the link.
Yes.
It's an option now. That's the easiest.
Yeah. Copy link to the chart. Yeah, so what I'm thinking here is on gold is we had to move up, broke the resistance, so I'm either looking for support to be formed to take it up further, or support to be broken to take it back down to retest this whole move. I'm using app. Where is that? Oh shit, it's harder. It says take a snapshot, click on it, and then it will give you options. Click link to the chart image. Oh, look at GJ. Yeah, for GJ, I'm looking for the same thing. We had a consolidation here. Price broke above, so I wanted to either make a support to go up or make a support to break and go down. So far, it seems like it's coming back into the range. If those were bigger candles, I would have taken a sell at the break of this game. I'm using an app. Where is that? I'm not sure, honestly, on the app. Mizzy Edits. Hello, hello. Good morning. Alright, let's go see, check the news. Thursday. At 8 a.m. we had final GDP. The forecast was 6.6, but the actual was 6.7. So this is good for the US dollar, which means it'll bring gold down. Unemployment claims, let's look. 333k. That was the forecast, but oh shit. 362. This is why gold is flying. Yeah, the US top officials, they recently said they're gonna fire every single nurse, every single police, every single military people
Was not vaccinated.
Yeah, if they're not vaccinated. Obviously, they're gonna have higher employment rates. I don't know why they would do that to affect their dollar, but market manipulations.
If GJ comes back and closes back in the range, it's gonna melt.
Yeah. They're just not a good area to take the sell.
I know. But
Too much traffic.
too much traffic. I agree. But I mean, we won't take the trade, but I'm just saying that it's the way it looks like it's gonna come and test the low again at 17 something.
Yes.
151 and 17. I mean, the first. Okay, here's the thing. You're looking on the 50. If you open 30 minutes, so I had my resistance like on top of this, right? So I'm assuming if it comes in and closes here, breaks it, the first stop is this, which is like, yeah, which is like say 15 pips. Then the next one is this, and the last one is this.
Yeah, too much. Mr. Locos, hey bro, do you notice any difference in volume between end of the month and end of the quarter? Yes, all the time. The first month is usually a little bit slow, and then in the middle of the month it starts to move a little bit nice, and then end of the month is usually there's a lot of volume. Like especially this week, we had lots of volume. But you also have to keep in mind, like news could have slow it down as well. I know sometimes like news cause a lot of volume, but if they're speaking, it's gonna take longer. Just based on my experience. Today is also end of the quarter, yes. It's the last day. So like the monthly is gonna finish basically.
Nice.
Yeah, it's gonna close below the support finally.
You think so?
I think
It's
so.
only for 35 pips away. If it wants to go above.
I think it will close below. Yeah. Does that matter or same as end of the month? It's the same as the end of the month. But you also, at the end of the month, you have to be like disciplined and look back at the whole month and say, okay, this is what I did this whole month. I'm gonna slow down probably today. You know, the market might do some any fuckeries and take stupid trades or maybe over trading. So this is something you want to avoid. You made it far this month, you know, and you want to preserve whatever you made. So maybe you want to risk less, even though there's like a lot of volume. I just thought banks deal with quarters, so I figured it would be more than end of the month. But thanks for the answer. No problem. Yeah, like I really hate when people say, "Oh, banks like they take trades," or institutional banks or institutional traders. That's such a bullshit. That shit does not exist, you know? What banks don't look at the chart. They don't look at gold, they don't look at GJ. That's not how the way they trade. The way they trade is by making deals, moving large amounts of money from country to another country.
Yeah.
And that affects the value of the currency that we see. It's not like, oh, I'm gonna take a buy right here, put my stop loss right here, put my take profit. They don't trade that way. That's one thing I hear about like new traders saying, oh, institutional traders. They don't do that.
That's true. So GJ is respecting that.
That was a nice retest on gold. Came to the 4-hour support and just I mean, they do a lot of transaction because end of the quarter, so I thought it would affect the market somehow. Yeah, that's true. Facts. Gold moved up like 100 plus and GJ still have the support. Holy, gold is on steroids. So I'm looking here, how can I have taken this move? Really, there's not enough confirmations.
Yeah.
The only one confirmation I see is this current 30 minutes came to the support and went up, broken this high. We could have anticipated, but it's very risky. Like, where is your stop gonna be? You don't have a solid support. Only if you look at the 5-minute, then your support would be here. But this is very weak. Mr. Nawaf is an institutional trader. That's how I know.
I I have my bank
Yes.
behind.
Making gold trades.
Mm-hmm.
No, if I follow this guy. He's from Kuwait, I think. He trades gold
I don't know him.
in Arabic. I know you don't know him, so I'm telling you. But like he's like he teaches like Forex too, but in Arabic. It's sick. Like he
Does he
actually
do live stream?
no. Maybe you could link up with him.
Oh man, no transparency.
No, he's transparent.
How?
Mm,
Hold on. My cat is opening the door. Hold on.
okay.
You see, you say that the only confirmation you had was
I'm back.
if you consider was this that it tapped into, but still I would say it wasn't as very strong and convincing
Yeah.
confirmation, right?
Yeah, it wasn't. If we had a support and it did that, then yes.
Okay, look at GJ. Okay.
Oh, it's at 30 right now. It's 9:30.
Yeah.
We got this candle closed below.
Okay. For me, I think it has closed because if you open 30-minute, I have this as my resistance, this area and this consolidation, and then like this coming till here, and then this one, sorry, and then this one, right? So I think it has respected this area and closed above. What I think is might come down, try to break through or tap it, and then comes and breaks the high and tests the high again and probably further.
Yeah. Let's see. But if it comes down breaking this low, it's gonna continue moving down till the support here. Don't you think?
Yeah,
It just
on a 15-minute,
not enough like, range.
17 pips. I think we saw it last time. No, that was on 13 pips. Yeah. The thing is, we are not 5 pips guys anymore.
Exactly, yeah. We're back to 10.
Yeah. I mean, I don't mind securing some on 7 pips, but then I need to see like a 2-digit on a pip counter to close it.
Facts.
A double digit.
Yes. Wow, man, gold is just haven't been stopping. See, right now, gold is approaching like a daily resistance. Gonna be back in 2 minutes.
Okay.
No off?
Yeah, bro. Sorry,
I'll
I
be
was
back.
mute.
No problem. I'll be back in a second as well.
No problem. Take your time.
I'm back. Mr. Dennis, good morning. Exactly what happened with GJ trade. We got to look at the 50 minutes candle. Yeah. Disappointing. If I seen that, I would have taken it. 100%.
Hello.
What's up?
So, yeah, where did you see that bearish 15-minute candle? It's not on TradingView.
It's the mini markets. Of course. Bullshit, right?
Yeah, it's not even on MT4 on the
It's
my broker either.
on none of the brokers but at the mini markets. How is that even possible? Loki is the best. That's the best. World class.
Like they get the perfect candles on their
Yeah.
shit, right?
Yeah.
Manipulation.
We have to look at that. Yeah, Uncle Ted too. He has like B-book broker. So he sees the same candles.
What's the B book?
Like A-book and B-book. You don't remember
Yeah,
from the class?
no.
That was the first day Mr. Raji taught us. A-book, it's a regulated broker that follows the rules. Who's regulated, and B-book, it's not regulated broker who have different candles, different like rules and laws, and it's kind of privately owned. At any point they could take your money and cut because they're not regulated. That's a B-book. So the B-book has different candles, like just a little bit different. Yeah, B-book back in the day used to be very risky. Like those were the scams. Oh, but man, I've been getting a call. This lady trying to sign me up to a broker.
Okay.
She's just lying, man. Like she's like, oh, you see, you open that account right now to put $250. You make lots of profits on gas and oil. I'm like, listen, how much is that lots of profit? I'm gonna put $250. She's like, yeah. I'm like, how much am I gonna make? 500. She's like, yeah. You don't have to worry. Like, we'll trade it for you. We'll help you. We're partners, and all this bullshit. And I just keep telling her, I'm like, you just want your commission. That's what you want, right? And she's like, no, I don't do commission. I just we want to help you trade. And I keep telling her, call me next week. I have to do my research. But she's giving my account, and she wants me to deposit into their broker without having my access to my MT4 or MT5. How the fuck is that even possible? This is their shit. It's very
Dubious.
what was that trade? It's not this one. I think it's this one. It's right here. I believe so. Yeah, it's kind of like this. Let's see if this is the one. Yeah, this was the one still. She's from Germany. But like that was pissing me off. She's like, you'll make a loss of profits. Blah blah blah. Sign up right now. We have promotion going on for 4 days only on this trade. And just tell me some bullshit. Like I don't know. And I just I'm like, wow, there's a lot of dumb people probably sign up for this. And I was one of them back in the day. I just got a call one time and I'm like, oh, sign up to make some profits trading. I'm like, oh yeah, okay. Put $200. I thought I was gonna make money. I blew it the same day. That was like 7 years ago or something like that. I didn't even know what it was, like Forex or stocks.
But you just blew it.
Yeah, like I didn't even know what the fuck I was doing. I'm like, what, 200? I could play with that? Okay. That's a scam. Yeah, man. It's a scam. So when she calls, I'm gonna roast her. What is this? Look, 1 star. Oh shit. Like it's very hard for a new trader to not think Forex is a scam when you have all these fucking people trying to sell you some things. It's not true. This is how the FX name gets bad rep.
That's how the FX name. Yes, that's right.
Yeah. So I was like, no, I don't want to put 250. I want to put 5,000. She's like, okay, but you need to put 250 so you know how it works.
Why does she want you to put only 250?
Yeah, I told her, I'm like, what the hell is 250? Like, what am I gonna do with that? She's like, you make a lots of profits. I'm like, how much is a lot? 500? She's like, yeah, but you need to know how much. I mean, you need to know how it's working. If you like the spread, and she didn't even know what spread and commission. I asked her. I'm like, okay, what is the spread on your broker? She's like, it's 1 to 20.
Red is 1 to 20.
Yeah. And then I'm like, what's the commission? She's like, okay, wait 1 second. And she go ask someone. She's like, the commission is like $7. A lot. Like the questions I was asking her, she didn't know. Like, she doesn't have that much like knowledge. She's just trying to sign up people. That's it. Like that's her job. So I told her, I'm like, I want to put 5,000. I don't want to put 250. She's like, yeah, you need to know. Like, you need to check it out first. I'm like, no, I'm gonna do my research. She's like, but it's only 250.
It's only 250.
Yeah, she's getting
Oh shit.
gold.
How come I missed that 15-minute break?
Which 15?
The same one. Gold. Here. Because I was expecting you to do that when it was
Yeah.
breaking this. That's okay.
Once
So-
we break this, is flying.
Wanna enter?
We could give it a chance.
Yeah.
But the only thing I don't like is at our resistance. But let's see. Let's see.
Okay. Look at it. What do you think?
I'm thinking it's very risky.
Yeah, me too.
I'm thinking it's gonna pick us up and come down.
Yeah, because there's a resistance very nearby.
Yeah.
I would rather see gold GJ sells.
Yeah. And gold sells too.
Hmm.
And they come down again. Close below. But so far we were waiting for support to be formed here. It's formed above this area now. Mr. Nawaf. You still eating?
No, I'm done. I'm waiting for Gigi.
What are you waiting for? Let us know.
Let me see. Maybe if this 15-minute candle closing as it is, 15 minutes. Can you bend to 15, please? Yeah, bearish like that. So I'm gonna take a buy on the break.
Okay.
Let's see how it closes.
But what about this area here? You don't think it's like small range?
I think it's gonna give it a push. It doesn't care about it. That's what it looks like.
Okay.
Let's see. That's why I said let's see.
Gold's about to break it. It's the last
Yeah.
5 minutes.
I don't know, man. So I want to do it.
Let's just wait. Let's just watch it.
Yeah, let's just watch it.
Yeah. We don't have to take every trade. Because I don't see like a solid support only on the 15, my confidence level on a buy, it's about like 50-50. But if gold is moving up and GG is kind of coming down, then maybe gold should continue moving up. Ah, son of a bitch.
It's good.
Good, it's good. So right now we had a range. Price broke out from the range. It's making a support to continue moving up, or it's making a support to continue moving down. So I'll be looking for a sell. Once this candle closes below, we get a retest and then come down.
Yeah. Look at goal. Look at goal. just standing on top of it.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's like they're just trying. Mr. Johans, look at the chart, please. I'll look at it in the next 5 minutes. Right now I'm waiting for something to happen.
Looks like there is no trades today. I don't know what GG is doing.
They're closed. And open the 30-minute and Naran and see GJ.
Yeah.
I thought you wanted to take it here.
Yeah, I'm gonna take it if possibly break this low here. I just need a retest from the upper side. Tap.
Gold broke out of it, man.
Ooh.
What the fuck? See, that's what I was fucking
Yeah.
bitch. Fucking 23 pips, man.
Jeez. Let's look at this chart here. What the fuck? Okay, let me see. I'm gonna look at it in just a little bit because I have to copy it here. Oh, okay. Copy. Alright, break this low. I'm gonna enter. Hasn't broken it yet. What is this? Oh, GU. Buys above here. Your buys? Oh, buys above here? Oh, this is nice. Yeah. No trade zone. Amazing. You want to look for a support right here to continue moving up. This is good. I like this. Beautiful chart.
Like the gold trade was good. At least we said we're gonna watch it.
Yes. It's end of the month, you know. We should relax.
Yeah. And tomorrow is the first day of October.
Yeah.
Yeah.
OG just coming down.
Yeah.
Morning, guys.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, welcome back. How have you been, bro?
Hi, Nora. Hi,
Hello.
Omar.
Hi.
How are you?
Good, good, good. Thank you.
Good, good.
Did you guys take any trade today?
No,
The
this
market is
looks
choppy.
nice at all. I really didn't like it.
Gold made these big moves.
Yeah.
Gold, yes, it did.
Alright, I'm in now. There we go.
And GG?
Yeah. The only problem is this zone right here. Oh, it's not gonna flip.
Okay, guys, I'll call it a day. See you tomorrow.
Take care, man. Have a
Stay
good
safe,
day.
everyone.
Man.
Yeah. Have a good day, guys.
You too.
You too, man.
Gold is going up. Flying.
Yeah.
$18. Yeah, I'm about to come out if it breaks the previous 5. Oh, broken the previous 5?
Just a bit. Look at gold, man. Fucking.
Gold is not gonna stop moving up.
And I
So what we learned is we just have to take it.
just have to take it, man.
Just go. Don't look for complications. Look at it. Look
Exactly.
at it. Oh fuck. This shit is a rocket.
It's a 10 o'clock candle, man. We had to, we should have.
Yeah. If you mentioned it's 10 o'clock.
Now I'm mentioning it.
It's alright. It's not the last time it's gonna happen. So if this candle breaks the previous high, yeah, I'm gonna come out. Yeah. Just came out.
Yeah.
It retested all your levels. Yes. GJ doing fuckery right now.
Yeah.
We broken this hourly low. Let's see. Oh shit.
What happened?
Rikil just made 120,000 on gold.
One. Wow.
Oh fuck.
Where was his entry?
Where we talked about. Right here.
So how many lots did he go in with?
I don't know. Probably 100 lots. Shit.
And next time we know missing. Now we know waiting for it, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yes. Oh, he has to close 130. Shit. 132 we closed. That's crazy. Let's look on the Dominion markets.
It was a proper N1, man. That's okay. Next time we'll know for the next time.
That's crazy. 100K in a day. So to Rikil,
It was a break of the 4 hours too, right?
I believe so, yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
And the daily. What is GJ doing, man? He's just playing stupid. So people on YouTube, seems like the GG is gonna take a break this month. Yeah, GG's, it's not moving today. People on YouTube, this is it for us. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.
Yeah.
If you took a loss with us, make sure you give a like. I hope everyone managed their loss. Closed it in a small loss. So people on YouTube, take care. Have a good day. We'll see you tomorrow.